Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LendingClub for investing for online income detailed guide step by step clearly. To start investing with LendingClub, visit their official website. Once there, click on the investing option in the top menu. You will be directed to an overview of investment opportunities. Take a moment to read through the information provided about peer-to-peer lending. Next, look for the Get Started button and click on it. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation link from LendingClub. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the LendingClub website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, complete any required profile information. You may need to provide details about your financial situation and investment goals. Next, link your bank account for funding your investment. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details securely. Once your bank account is linked, you can make your initial deposit. Decide on the amount you wish to invest and follow the instructions to transfer funds. Once your account is funded, explore available loans for investment. Review each loan listing carefully, paying attention to the interest rates and risk assessments. Select the loans you wish to invest in and specify the amount for each. After selecting, confirm your investment choices. Your investments will be monitored through your LendingClub account dashboard. Regular updates on your loans will provide insights into their performance. You can always return to the platform to manage your investments as needed. This process will set you on your way to earning online income through LendingClub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.